I thought a good topic to start with today is small business financial planning. I want to explain to you what it is and why you need it, why it's so important for a small business to do this, because running a small business is super exciting. It's a great, fantastic journey to go on, but it definitely comes with challenges. And having a small business financial plan it will help you overcome a lot of those challenges. So if you haven't met me yet, my name is Melissa Houston. I am a CPA with over 25 years of experience. I've worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs and helped them through their business and what's going on with their business finances and such. I have seen a lot in my 25 years of work. I am the author of Cash Confident, the founder of She Means Profit, and a contributor at Forbes.com. So all the work that I put out there is helping entrepreneurs empower themselves with business financial literacy and business skills to get you going in the business world. So if you like what you see, I want you to hit like, I want you to hit subscribe, because we share videos 2 times a week, every week, and we're filled with quality content. I mean, I am passionate about helping business owners make more money in your business so that you hit your financial dreams. And this is all about financial dreams, right? Most of us start a business because we want to make more money and we want the freedom, and especially the financial freedom. So let's get started. Okay. Among the most critical aspects of running a business, and I mean this is definitely the most critical, it is financial planning. But so many of you are overlooking the financial plan of your business, and that's where you get stuck. So typically what I've noticed from working with hundreds of business owners, small business owners, is that, you start making money, you've got your marketing and your sales down, and then everything blows up because you're not looking at your business numbers. And the business numbers are important, and we're going to go through why. Okay. So first, let's talk about what small business financial planning is. And it's basically, essentially what it is you're creating a roadmap for your business. So you're taking your business, you're looking at the numbers. It's typically based on a P&L statement where you're looking at where your business is currently, but you're also going to forecast to where you want your business to go in the next year. So you break it out month by month, you give yourself goals, right? So let's just say that you are making $100,000 in your business currently, but you're like, you know what? I want to move up to $500,000 by the end of the year. What you do is you break out how much revenue you need to start making, and you're growing it at an incremental pace and understanding what is involved in bringing that extra revenue in. You're going to consider the expenses that go with it, because when you build a business and you grow your business, your expenses are going to increase as well, right? So you plan out how much revenue you want to bring in each month and what your expenses are each month. You get a really good understanding of what your break even is going to be. And you don't want to stop at break even, because you don't want to just have a business where you're breaking even. You want to build in at least a 30% net profit margin. Okay. Especially if you're service-based, you could probably go higher. So that is important to do, because it gives you a roadmap. It gives you an idea of where you want to go this year. You've got your goals planned out, and you can measure your progress against these goals. So that is the whole purpose of having a business financial plan. And if things go wrong and you are not reaching your goals, you are checking it. Like, you're looking at what's going on in your business each and every month, right? So at month end, you run your reports, you look at what you actually did versus what you had planned. If you fell short of your goals, you get that information right away, right? And you can make the changes that you need to make in order to continue and try to achieve your goals the following month. So that's why it's really important. So the key components of having business financial planning is first a budget. And that's pretty much looking at where you are currently. That's your budget, and you know how much money you need to make in order to reach your net profit margin, because you understand what your expenses are and how to stay within those expenses. You never want to spend more money than what you're bringing in. The second part is cash flow management. Cash flow is key. I've created my 5-step cash confident framework that basically it's 5 steps that all work together, right? And you can get that cash confident framework in my book, Cash Confident. And it's basically giving you the blueprint of how to run your business and how to build those financial plans and how all your financial activities tie in together. The other one is financial forecasting. So that is, after you've created your budget, you know where you are currently. That's what I was talking about. When you are looking ahead, you're being proactive. That's forecasting because it hasn't happened yet. It's forecasting. You're setting your financial goals. So you want to make $500,000 by the end of the year. That's your goal. So there you've set it. And now you have to figure out how to do it, right? And it helps you manage risk because there are going to be scenarios where, you're going to look at, well, what happens if I don't reach that goal? Or what happens if I spend this money, I invest in this project and we don't get the revenue that we had projected? You're going to look at different things and you're going to understand how your business moves and how your business makes money and what you really need to do in order to have your business thrive financially. So having that business plan brings all of those things together, which is exciting, right? Because it gives you more financial control over your business. And you need that because it helps you stay organized and in control. So if you notice that you have invested, let's say you invested $10,000 in marketing and you had earmarked, a $50,000 project, but after $10,000, you see like, this is not giving you the ROI that you expect for your investment. You're plugging that money leak. You stop doing that. You make the changes and you stop wasting money. So that helps you stay in control. You understand how your money works for you and if it's helping you get to your goals or not. And when you do your financial plan, you understand the decisions that you're making and how it affects your bottom line in your business. It prevents cash flow problems because if you're not making enough profit, you are not going to have the cash to sustain your business. Cash is queen in the business. You run out of cash, you are in trouble, a lot of trouble. And if you need to grow your business and secure additional funding, it will help you. There are no investors out there who say you don't need to know your business numbers. You do need to know your business numbers. And if you want to impress investors, knowing your business numbers will knock their socks off. I highly recommend it. And the best thing is it manages your financial stress. So many people, when they come to me and they're like, I'm ready to work with you because I don't know what's going on in my business. That is perfect because you are stressed at this point, but you realize after you start working with your numbers that the stress goes away, you have financial control and you understand what's going on in your business. So that's it for today. If you're ready to take this further, I highly recommend you register for the Path to Profitability Masterclass because we dive into what really makes your business profitable, how to double the profits in your business, and how to get going, turning in your business into a money-making machine. So if you like what you see, make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next